Yeah, hello everybody. So today we are going to take a look at a live spam job on Upwork. This just came in this morning, and when I went through it, I thought it wise to just do this short video to show you, especially newbies on Upwork, what a scam job looks like. So usually, now this came in as an offer. And what you would naturally expect when an offer comes is a description of the job. So one of the things that actually made me suspicious about this is, in the first instance, the job title says Digital Marketing Bank Manager. Now, I am an executive assistant, project manager, and HR consultant. And so digital marketing or anything relating to banking is not my area of specialization. So sometimes you get them coming to you with jobs that are completely not related to what you do. And then most times when clients come, they want to have some conversations with you first. But this one came in as an offer. And all that this client said is, please check documents carefully and accept offer. So when you start having something like this, they create those documents because they have something else hidden inside it that they don't want Upwork to see. Naturally, any client that gives you a job on Upwork will include the job detail. Now, if we open the entire document here, says here, Upwork, you have received an offer, he has added the hourly rate and everything. Let's quickly review the client. You can see here that the client just opened the account yesterday. He has one active hire. They would usually have people that will just fall for what they want. So I'm going to open the document now so that we can see what it says. Mind you, when you receive documents like this, do not enable editing until you are very sure, because it's actually in the protected view here. You have to just be careful because files from the internet can contain viruses, but Upwork would have gone through this. Since the document still came in, Upwork obviously must have gone through it. But it's always good to have another layer of protection. So do not enable editing. It's in the protected view. So let's go through what he wrote here. Nice to meet you. He's Nimesh. He wants to buy. Okay. Usually they don't speak good English. That's always another thing you can pick. I want to buy item your country. Now I need to pay this. He wants to pay 290,000 naira, and him account suspended. So his account has been suspended. All right. So I'm sure it's because of all these things he's doing. And say make transfer bank account. He cannot pay directly to our bank. He needs help to transfer the funds to Nigerian bank. I'm just, trying to say this so that we can understand. You can help me. I can pay you this transfer $600, including Upwork fee. I will pay, approve and release your payment first, your Upwork account. How to proceed? Accept offer. We escrow 600 USD. So he wants to release 600 USD into the escrow, approve and release to my account without doing any job. You understand? After approved payment going to your funds, pending balance. Because when monies are released into Upwork, it takes 5 days. So he said pending balance on my Upwork account. Receive all funds, your pending balance, and you need to make transfer Nigerian bank account. You need to make transfer with my own money. And you see that you can withdraw Upwork funds after 5 days. That's not going to happen. He wants me to, while I'm waiting for the 5 days for this to clear, he wants me to now transfer this 290,000 naira. That is a scam. Once you do that, your money is gone. Because within these 5 days, the client can recall the money. So guys, this has scam written all over it. And anytime you even have jobs like this where the client doesn't come and give you a particular job to do, they are telling you to transfer money, just know immediately that it is a scam job. Don't take it. So usually when you see $600, you will think you've seen something very good, but this is a scam, guys. I just wanted to put this together so that you guys can have first-hand information into this. So what do you do when you see things like this? Do not accept. Just decline the offer. I'm just going to say that. And so payment terms are different, too busy, client already hired, client stop responding, spam offer. That's what I'm going to choose. Now, when you do something like this, it helps Upwork identify jobs like this and weed them out. Because if you just declined it for whatever other reason, this guy is going to go to somebody else. Now, if you want to leave a message, this is optional. You can go ahead to do so. But I don't want to waste my time. So I'm just going to decline this offer. Sorry. So you can see now, offer declined. And it says that this offer is not available anymore. So that's a very good way to just handle this and keep spammers or scammers off the platform. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.